ARRIS X-Speed 280 FPV Racing Drone Assembled RC Quadcopter. ARRIS X-Speed 280 FPV Racing Drone RTF is fully assembled, tuned and tested by the technician. The drone is easy to fly and maintain, and it is very powerful. When you get it, you just need to prepare one 3S or 4S battery, and then you can fly. ARRIS 2204 motor with 6045 propeller give the quad more powers. Push the throttle, you will feel the fast reaction of the drone. It has absolutely beautiful appearance, especially when the built-in LED is on. The quadcopter has been assembled and comes with a T9 transmitter. You only add your battery to fly. Optimized CC3D flight controller, specially designed for F-Speed 280, super stable and extremely well handling. The new ARRIS 2204 brushless motor can offer great power during flight. It is also compatible with the T-Motor carbon fiber propeller perfectly. There is 3 switches on the LED, giving you multiple color combination.